Hello and welcome to the Opal shop. Here I've got 4 variants of Boulder Opals. They all have different pre-shaped, they're all pre-shaped and pre-cut. Here is the first one. Those lovely shades of green right taking over the surface of this boulder. Smooth side, then to the back. Most of the colors are concentrated on the front. And the two's got more shades of blue. A lot of open concentration around the surface. Face. It's a thin cut. And most of the opal is again sand flaring through this face of the boulder. Quite nice. Could definitely be reshaped and turned into a lovely pendant. Here's number 3 with its lovely pattern of opals flaring through, quite shiny and refined all the way up. And there's nice pattern to it. It's nice. Green. And then we've got the bigger piece. You can see most of the opals are on this surface. The pattern of this boulder is quite lovely. This part can definitely be worked on. Not much on that surface. Mostly, most of the opal is concentrated on the main surface. And this is our 4 variant Boulder Opal Parcel. Thanks for watching. Have a lovely one.